Stop! What if you could describe almost every action you take in a single day, all in fluent English? Today, I'm giving you the 50 power verbs that form the foundation of every real conversation. Master these, and you stop searching for words and start speaking with ease. Let's build your vocabulary together, starting right now. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Mr. J. In today's lesson, you will learn 50 essential English verbs that you can use in everyday conversations. For every verb, I'll share a simple sentence showing how it is used in real life. This lesson moves at a steady pace. If you need more time, simply pause the video. Let's begin. 1. Ask. I ask my teacher a question. 2. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. 3. Run. The children run in the park. 4. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. 5. Drink. She drinks a glass of water. 6. Read. He reads a newspaper every day. 7. Write. I write in my notebook. 8. Listen. We listen to our teacher carefully. 9. Watch. They watch a movie together. 10. Walk. I walk to school every day. You're doing great. Let's keep moving through our daily actions. 11. Buy. My mother buys fresh vegetables. 12. Sell. The shop sells fresh fruit. 13. Open. Please open the window. 14. Close. Please close the door quietly. 15. Stop. The bus stops at the station. 16. Start. The class starts at 9 o'clock. 17. Think. I think this book is interesting. 18. Understand. I understand the lesson now. 19. Remember. Please remember my birthday. 20. Forget. Don't forget your homework. We're almost halfway there. Let's look at verbs about learning and work. 21. Learn. We learn English every day. 22. Teach. She teaches English at school. 23. Help. I help my parents at home. 24. Work. My father works in an office. 25. Play. The children play football after school. 26. Win. Our team wins the match. 27. Lose. Sometimes we lose a game. 28. Love. I love reading books. 29. Hate. He hates waking up late. 30. Like. They like spicy food. Next, we'll cover verbs about our needs, wants, and travel. 31. Need. I need a pen. 32. Want. She wants a new bicycle. 33. Wait. Please wait for me. 34. Travel. We travel by train every summer. 35. Arrive. They arrive on time. 36. Leave. I leave home at 8 o'clock. 37. Meet. I meet my friends every weekend. 38. Call. Please call me tonight. 39. Answer. She answers every question correctly. 40. Choose. You can choose your favorite color. We're in the final stretch. Let's look at verbs for change and physical actions. 41. Change. People change with time. 42. Cut. He cuts the paper carefully. 43. Break. Be careful not to break the glass. 44. Fix. The mechanic fixes the car. 45. Build. They build a new house. 46. Clean. We clean our classroom every day. 47. Wash. She washes her hands before dinner. 48. Carry. He carries a heavy bag. 49. Push. Please push the door gently. 50. Pull. pull the chair closer. You did it! 50 essential verbs that will transform your English. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Until next time, keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson.